Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a short to teach you how to make a nice tartar sauce. You're not going to be using mayonnaise, are you? That's just gross. Yep, that's right. We're making mayonnaise. Okay, I'm going to show you this at regular speed just to show you how it works. Egg yolks, 2 of them. And then I use safflower oil because it's a very neutral oil. It's extremely good for you. And if you're going to be adding flavors like we are for our tartar sauce, this is the best oil to use. Anyways, you put it in ever so slowly and let the eggs emulsify. The downside on doing this is you can never do this during an electrical storm. For some reason, eggs won't emulsify. Go figure. Okay, and here we are, slow, slow, slow. We're going to speed that puppy up. And then keep adding it and adding it and adding it. And then we're going to fast motion. And then, of course, sped up here, you still keep doing it. This is the most important part of your whole process with any dressing that you're going to make, is the emulsification of the eggs and oil. And then you just keep doing it and doing it and doing it until finally it becomes this disgusting looking thing you'll see in a minute after we whip it up here. And just a little close-up to show you exactly how it looks before, of course, you add your citron, your lemon juice, and then it becomes perfectly glacé mayonnaise. Look at that. Magic. Ta-da! Mise en place for our tartar sauce. We have some very finely minced cayenne peppers, sweet relish, and then, of course, capers, onions, dill, and lemon juice. Yeah. And when mixing this, you're going to do it half at a time. First your sweet relish, your capers, onions, dill, of course, and then your cayenne pepper. Mix it up pretty good. And then after that, you're going to add the rest, of course, and mix it thoroughly. And then you're going to put it into a bowl, cover it up, put it in the fridge for overnight so it soaks in all those juices, and you're ready to go. Okay, people, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.